Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I am Alice, your teacher for today.
And I am James. We're super excited to have you here with us. If you are learning English and love traveling, you are in the right place.
That's right. Today's episode is designed specifically for Level A2 learners. We are going to tackle a very common real-world situation that every traveler faces, renting a car at the airport.
Yes, landing in a new country and picking up your rental car gives you so much freedom, but talking to the agent at the rental counter in English can sometimes feel a little scary.
Exactly. So in today's episode, you will learn essential travel phrases, simple grammar structures, and key vocabulary for car rentals. We want you to feel confident and ready next time you stand at that airport rental counter.
We have structured this lesson around a realistic role play. Alice will play the traveler, and I will play the rental counter agent. We will pause along the way to explain the words, grammar, and pronunciation.
So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's jump straight into our lesson.
Before we begin, let's set the scene. You have just arrived at the international airport after a long flight. You collect your luggage, follow the signs that say car rental, and walk up to the counter. Let's listen to the first part of the conversation. Good morning. Welcome to Star Car Rental. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to rent a car, please. I made a reservation online.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Sarah Jenkins.
Thank you, Miss Jenkins. Let me look that up. Yes, I see your reservation right here. An economy car for 4 days, correct?
Yes, that is correct. Let's stop right there and break down this first part. Pay attention to how I started the conversation. I said, I'd like to rent a car, please.
That is such a great phrase. Notice that Alice did not say, I want a car. Saying I want can sound a bit direct or rude in English. Using I'd like is polite and natural.
Exactly. I'd like is short for I would like. At level A2, this is one of the most useful structures you can learn for ordering food, buying tickets, or renting a car. Remember, I'd like plus verb or I'd like plus noun. For example, I'd like to book a room or I'd like a bottle of water.
Notice also what I asked is the rental agent. May I have your name, please? This is a polite way to ask for personal details. I also said, let me look that up. To look up something means to search for information on a computer or in a list.
And finally, James confirmed my reservation by saying an economy car for 4 days, correct? James, what exactly is an economy car?
Great question. Let's talk about car types in our next scene. Welcome back to the counter. Let me offer you some options. Now, Miss Jenkins, I see you reserved an economy car. Would you like an automatic or a manual transmission?
I prefer an automatic, please. Is the economy car an automatic?
Yes, all our economy cars are automatic. Would you like to upgrade to a larger car, like a sedan or SUV, for just $10 more per day?
No, thank you. The economy car is fine for me. I am traveling alone and I don't have much luggage. This part of the conversation contains very important vocabulary for traveling. Let's look at car categories first.
Yes, rental companies usually have different sizes of cars, economy or compact car, sedan or SUV.
That's super clear. Next, let's talk about the transmission. In English, we have two main types of cars, automatic and manual.
In an automatic car, the vehicle changes gears for you automatically. In a manual car, sometimes called a stick shift in American English, you have to change the gears yourself using a clutch pedal.
If you travel to North America, almost all rental cars are automatic, but in Europe or South America, many rental cars are manual, so always specify, I prefer an automatic, please.
I also asked Alice if she would like to upgrade. The verb to upgrade means to change to a higher quality, bigger, or better service. Rental agents will often try to sell you an upgrade. If you don't want it, simply say, "No thank you, the economy car is fine."
Great! Let's move on to the paperwork.
Perfect. May I see your driver's license, passport, and a credit card for the deposit?
Sure, here you go. Here is my driver's license, passport, and credit card.
Thank you. Now, let's talk about insurance. Basic insurance is included in your reservation, but it does not cover everything. Would you like full coverage for $15 a day?
What does full coverage include?
Full coverage protects you against damage, theft, and accidents. You pay nothing if something happens to the car.
That sounds safe. Yes, I would like full coverage, please. This is usually the most confusing part for travelers: paperwork and insurance. Let's simplify these words.
First, when you rent a car anywhere in the world, you need 3 basic documents: your driver's license, your passport, and a credit card for a deposit.
Notice that James mentioned a deposit. What is a deposit? A security deposit is an amount of money that the company temporarily holds on your credit card. They give it back to you when you return the car safely.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about insurance. Basic insurance usually covers big accidents, but you might still have to pay a fee if the car gets scratched or damaged.
That's why the agent asked about full coverage. Full coverage means complete insurance. If the car gets stolen or damaged, you do not pay anything extra.
Notice how Alice asked, "What does full coverage include?" This is an excellent question to ask at any rental desk.
And pay attention to my polite response when giving my documents. Here you go. Remember this phrase, guys. When you hand your passport, money, or documents to someone, always say, "Here you go," or "Here it is." It sounds very friendly.
Now we are at the final stage of our rental process. Let's listen. Excellent choice. You also have unlimited mileage, so you can drive as many miles as you want without extra fees.
That is great news. What about the gas policy?
The car has a full tank of gas right now. Please return the car with a full tank. If you bring it back empty, we will charge you extra for fuel.
Understood. I will fill it up at a gas station near the airport before I return it. Where can I pick up the car?
Go out the side door, walk straight to parking area B, and look for space number 42.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a safe trip and enjoy your drive.
We made it to the final details. Let's look at 2 important terms here: unlimited mileage and fuel policy.
Mileage comes from the word mile. Unlimited mileage means you can drive as far as you want. You won't pay extra money whether you drive 10 miles or 1,000 miles.
Next is the fuel policy. The agent said, "Please return the car with a full tank." A full tank means the gas container in the car is 100% full.
And Alice used a great phrasal verb, "I will fill it up." To fill up means to make something completely full. In this case, putting gas or petrol into the car until the tank is full.
Finally, listen to the directional prepositions James used. Go out the side door, walk straight to parking area B, and look for space number 42. Fantastic job, everyone. You just listened to a complete car rental conversation in English.
Now, let's do a quick listen and repeat session to lock in these key phrases. Repeat after me out loud.
I'd like to rent a car, please.
I prefer an automatic transmission.
What does full coverage include?
I will return the car with a full tank of gas.
Well done. Now, here's today's listener challenge.
Imagine you are at the airport rental desk right now. Type your answer in the comments section below. What kind of car do you prefer when traveling? An economy car, a sedan, or SUV? And do you prefer automatic or manual? Write your answer in a full English sentence.
We love reading your comments, so don't forget to leave your answer down below. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Sharing this video with a friend who is learning English helps us out immensely.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing every day, stay curious, and safe travels wherever you go.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.